Children, welcome you back for our chapter 2 in maths, fun with numbers. Now, today we are going to do class jump. In this, we will use numbers to have a jump. In this, we will do forward jump, backward jump, and it's according to the numbers what we are taking. Like in first, we are taking 2 steps forward. So here comes 104, 106, 108. So here comes 110, 112, 114 and 116. Next, jump 2 steps backward. Now we have to do 2 steps backward. So 262, 260, 258. Now 256, 254, 252 and 250. Now same children, we will use 10 steps forward. So we will add on 10 number forward. Now for next 10 steps back. In this what we will do 10 steps backward. For example, it's 200, 190, 180. Now what will come? 170, 160, 150 and 140. Okay children. Now this is the same pattern. In this they have to continue the pattern. Like in this they were doing 10 steps forward. Okay. Like 550 and 560 means difference of 10 steps. Next 910, 920. In this what they were doing? They were also adding 10 steps forward. Now next 209, 207, 2 steps backward they were using. So the next is 203. Same we will continue. Now next children, 401, 402. In this they were taking 1 step forward. So here comes 404, 405, 406 and 407. Now let's have a look on your solution. I have given you solution also. You did this properly with 2 steps forward, backward and jump 10 steps forward, jump 10 steps backward. And same you will continue the pattern over here. What numbers here given? So they were using 10 steps forward. Same you will do for this. So children, you will do this with adding number, with subtracting number, but it depends on what the number we are using. Like somewhere we are using 1 step forward, somewhere we are using 2 step forward and somewhere we are using 2 step backward. Somewhere we are using 10 steps forward, somewhere we are using 10 steps backward. So in same manner you will do this. Now children, come back to next question. Read this. Lazy crazy shop. This is the jungle shop. Lazy crazy shop gives things only in packets of tens, hundreds and loose item. In this they were using a packets for giving the things. Like they were giving packets of 100, packets of 10 and loose items. So packets of 100 is 1 here. It's according to the number, like it's 143. So for 1 packet they were using 100. For 4 packets they were using 10. And for loose item they were using 3 items loose. So children, 100 plus 40 means 10 into 4. You will 10 into 4 you will do multiply. So it will comes 40 and here it is already 100. So 100 plus 40 plus, you can count here, 3 carrots were here, 1, 2 and 3. So plus 3, so it will come 143. Okay children, like this they were selling their things. The shop name is Lazy Crazy Shop. The shop is in the jungle. It's jungle. It's in the jungle. So its name is Lazy Crazy Shop. Next children, for 210, how we will do? Yes, you are right. Here we will use 2 packets of 100, 1 packet of 10 and loose item is 0 because 2 into 100 it's 200 and 1 into 10 is equals to 10. So 200 plus 10 is equals to 210. Now next 242, here 2 packets of 100, 4 packets of 10 and 2 packets of 2 we will use loose item. So 2 into 100 is equals to 200, 4 into 10 is equals to 40 and we will plus 2. So 200 plus 40 plus 2 is equals to 242. Same children we will do for this, like we were using 5 packets for 100 and 5 packets for 10 and 2 loose items. So it's 5 into 100, 500. Now 5 into 10 is equals to 50 and next plus 2. So 500 plus 50 plus 2 is equals to 552. So children, let's have a look on our solution. This is your solution. How you will do this? Same, you can take any other number and you can do for that also. Now come back to our next. Lazy Crazy also has a crazy way of taking money. Like they were having a crazy way of giving things. So same for they were having a crazy way of taking money. He takes only in 100 notes, 10 notes and coins, means loose. Now find out how they will pay him for what they have taken. Now you will tell for what they are paying, how. Like in that they were telling, for example I am giving you for 20, they were giving like 100 rupees note, okay, and 20 and rest loose. So children, let's have a look here how they were giving us. Now for 420 they were taking 100 notes, they were taking 4. Like for example I am giving you 4 notes of 100, okay children, that is 400. 10 notes they were using 2 and for coin they were using nothing, okay, because this is coin I am making you, this is 10 rupees note and for example this is 100 rupees note. You will draw notes, okay, you will draw 100 rupees 4 notes in front of here. Now for 2 they were using 10 notes and for coins they were using nothing. For example 4 into 100 is equals to 400. 2 into 10 is equals to 20 and it will come 420. Okay children, rest you will do. This is your homework. Understood? Next, I come in 40 and 50 and there is a 5 in my name. For example, first is done for you. Like it comes between 40 and 50 and the answer is 45. Next, I have 9 in my name and am very close to 90. 9 in my name, so very close to 90 is 89. If you hit a 4, if you hit a 4 after me, you score a century. What will come? 96 plus 4. So children, what will come? That is 100. So what number? If we add in 96, then only that will score century. I am equal to 10 notes of 10. So equal to 10 notes of 10. 10 into 10, that will 100. I am century plus half century, that will, I told you for a century we are using 100 and for half century we are using 50. So it will become 150. So your answer is I am century plus half century, that is 150. I am exactly in between 77 and 97. So what is your solution? That is which number? 87. 89 already we have used because it is close to 90. So between 77 and 97 is 87. Okay children. So let's have a look. How many are these? So like this you have to draw here. Because they were using coins, notes. This example I have given you for you. This is fourth question. For this I have given you this type of solution. Like they were putting a number over here 420. So here you have to draw a notes like this. Okay children? For all you will use notes. Understood? Now next. Now let's read it. I am Chanda Mama. I have so many friends which twinkle in the sky. Yes, you are night. Now read again. I am Chanda Mama. I have so many friends which twinkle in the sky. Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. My friends are stars. One day all of them came to my home. I started counting to see how many friends had come. But my friends were too many. So, to remember their numbers, I did something like this. Hello, everybody. Now, children, first of all, we can't count stars because it is uncountable. You can count today and you can have a look. Like if you are counting 10 stars are there in the sky, then you will find out one more is there. So we can't count stars. So here a small story. I am Chanda Mama. I have so many friends. Chanda Mama is saying that I am having so many friends which twinkle in the sky. Which twinkle in the sky. So it's twinkle in the sky. Yes, you are right. My friends, what are their friends? Their friends are stars. One day, all of them came to my home. One of them, this is home of Chanda Mama, and all of them came to his home. I started counting. He started counting 1, 2, 3 like in numbers. I started counting to see how many friends had come. But my friends were too many. So, Chanda Mama friends are having too many friends. Okay. So to remember their numbers, what he did? I did something like this. Now have a look what Chanda Mama did. Now have a look. Moon counts its starry friends. How? Let's count. Moon counts his starry friends. I counted one star and kept one. How he is counting here? Look, have a look. I counted one star and kept one. Like he was telling that was using a one star like this. Okay. Now for 2 stars he will use like this. For how many stars? When I had done 10. For 10 how he will do? I change it with this card. For 10 he did for this. For 1, 2 or up to 5 he did counting like this. Okay children. For 1, 2 up to 5 or 9 he will do like this. But when he goes to 10 so he did like this. But my friend kept coming, so I had to count more stars. So Chanda Mama was saying my friends kept coming, so I had to count more stars. My packets were getting full. So when I had 10 cards like this, I changed with a when his 10 packets fill like this, so he will change with 100, number of 100. For 1, 2 up to 9, he will use these kinds of packets. When it will come to 10, so he will use this type of packet of 10. When 10 packets of 10 will come, then he will use this 100 packet. Okay. But I have so many friends that my packets kept getting full because stars are uncountable, I told you. So his packets getting full, and just see had. Now children, let's have a look. Right, everybody in a line, we will play a game. So in this way he is playing a game. Okay, and stars were saying yippee. Yes, we are ready to play a game. Now how they have put, now you can have a look. I counted one star like this. For how many stars? This is 5. Next, the question is, now our question is, so this is our question. Which card I have in my pocket, and I have counted up. Like 19 is written here. So 10, for 10 he told he will use this, okay, and for up to 9 he will use these type of cards. So 10 plus 9 is equals to 19. Okay children. Now next 21. For example 21, 10 of these he was using, and 1 we will use this one. So 20 plus 1 is equals to 21. Okay children. Now let's have a look on our solution. Like this, you will complete this, where you will use 100 packets, like it's 260. For example, for 100 I am giving you, like 200 he has taken, that become 200, and 6 he has taken of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it will become 260. Okay children. Now for 300 he used 100 of 3. Okay. So 100 into 3 is equals to 300. In same way you will complete this. This is your solution also. Okay children. Now come back to our next. When I had, now have a look, when I had 10 cards in my packet, I knew I had counted 20 stars. Now you tell me the numbers of stars counted in each case. In each case you have to count it the numbers. Now you will tell what will be the numbers. Write the answer in the blank space. Now for example children, here he used 10. So the answer is 20. Now 100, 10. So 100 plus 10 into 3 is 30. So 100 plus 30 is equals to 130. Okay children. Next you will count. Okay. Like 10, 3 and 3. So how? 26. Now children, let's have a look. Like this he counted. This is 20 and 3, 6. Now this is 4. 4 into 100 is equals to 400. Now 100 of how many? 100 of 3 here and 3 here. So total number of 100 is 6. So 100 into 6 is equals to 600 and 1, 2, 3. So it's 603. Now next 100 and 100. So 310 and how many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 316. Now next 1, 2, 3. It's 310. Now next 1, 2, 3, 4. So 400 plus 10 we are having how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. 430 and 1 we are having 1. Only 1. So 431. Now let's have a look on this. For 1000 how we are using? How many 100 we are using? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 into 100 it will come 1000. Okay children. Now I have given you solution also for this. So you will did like this. Okay. Now come next. Guess how many starry friends I have? All. You can guess how many starry friends he have. All. Starry friends he use for this. For these. Okay. So let's have count. 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 10 they were using. So its total number is 38. Now let's have a look. This I have given you. Solve the riddle and tick the correct number. Complete the series. I told you 10 gaps, 2 gaps, 1 gaps. According to that, we have to add on or we have to subtract the number. That series will continue. Like it is given 10, 20, 30. So what will come next? Next is 40. Now next, complete the series 200, 210, 220. So what will come next? 10 they were adding, so it's 230. Jump 2 steps forward. In this you have to jump 2 steps forward. So 104, 106, 108. Now what will come next? 110. Which number will come before 99? Which number will come before 99? Yes, you are right. It's 98. The score of 1.5 century is, I told you, yes, your guess is right. That is 150. 100 plus 50 is equals to 150. So 1.5 century is 150. Next, the smallest 2-digit number is, smallest 2-digit number is your 10. 1 is single digit and smallest is 1010. Now which number will comes between 209 and 211? Which number will come? Yes, you are right. That is 210. I am exactly in between 77 and 97. So it will not, because it is before 77. So we have to find out between 77 and 97. That is 86. That is 86. So children, do complete this. Have revision of this chapter, Fun with Numbers, properly. And then we will continue our next chapter. So have revision for this. Okay children. Now, thank you children. Do complete your work, have revision properly and do your assignment properly and revise also. So children, bye and stay well. Okay children.